India's organic achievements. India is proud to be ranked first in the number of organic farmers in a country. And adding to this environmentally friendly achievement, the northeast Indian state of Sikkim has become the first state in the world to be declared fully organic. The Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers' Welfare had launched two important programs in 2015 to encourage farmers to use organic farming practices and to teach farmers about chemical-free farming. India's major organic exports have been flax seeds, sesame, soybean, tea, medicinal plants, rice, and pulses. Northeast India has traditionally been organic, and the use of chemicals is far less in this region than the rest of the country. States like Tripura and Uttarakhand are also targeting turning completely organic like Sikkim. Do you understand what organic farming is? Organic farming is a special way of growing crops, plants, and raising livestock that is good for the environment and does not use any chemical pesticides or fertilizers. Livestock is a term used for domesticated animals like cows, hens, and sheep that humans use for labor, meat, milk, or other animal products like eggs and wool. Global climate change and environmental pollution is a serious current problem. Human actions like over-farming, overuse of fossil fuels that release greenhouse gases, and plastic pollution are contributing to this problem. Everyone is now recognizing the urgent need to restore the health of our planet, and organic farming is a good step towards helping the environment. Organic farmers' markets are becoming common and popular in India and around the world. Have you ever visited one with your parents? Farmers and livestock owners bring their products to sell to consumers in such markets, and this helps them earn for their hard work. The Indian government is also promoting and creating online platforms to connect organic farmers with buyers. You can grow vegetables like lady's fingers, bottle gourd, green chilies, and cauliflower at home using organic farming methods. Use homemade compost to give your plants extra nutrition. You can make this using wet kitchen waste and dried leaves and twigs from your garden. Keep covering the organic waste with layers of soil. Once your compost pit or drum is full, your compost will be ready to use in 1 to 2 months. Coriander, mint, and tomatoes are also easy to grow in pots or in the ground. India has been ranked 9th worldwide for the area used for organic farming. The current global pandemic has made everyone pay attention to their health, and good quality food is in demand. To make markets less crowded, governments of various Indian states helped farmers sell their products via online portals and linked them to wholesale buyers. Also, video and teleconferencing and webinars that have become the new norm recently helped spread the message of organic farming to more farmers in fields across India. Here are some recent examples of stronger channels and new ideas being used to promote organic produce. Punjab is using electric vans to help farms deliver fruits and vegetables to the doorstep of consumers. The Green Caravan of Kohima linked villages of Nagaland to urban areas for vegetables, handicrafts, and handlooms. The Manipur Organic Agency began collecting produce and transports it to 2 organic wholesale centers in Imphal. Organic farming is a win-win situation for farmers, consumers, and the environment too. Do you understand why? Farmers who use organic farming are not in danger of getting any harmful exposure to chemicals and their soil and land remains healthy. Consumers who buy and eat organically grown vegetables or grains are consuming healthy products. And the last but equally important benefit of organic farming is that it is environmentally friendly and keeps the soil, water, and air healthy.